Hello everyone, this is Dr. J. Kalaimani, Professor from CSE Department. Today I am going to discuss about the computer network and its business applications. First we should know what is computer network. A computer network is a system of interconnected computers and peripheral devices. For example, it may connect computers, printers, scanners and cameras. Next, communications. Communication is about the transfer of information from a sender across a distance to a receiver. Communication is an act of transmitting messages. Computer network communications, we transmit information or data by using two ways of signals, namely analog and digital. Computers communicate with digital signals. The older forms of communication technology such as telephones and radios these are all using analog signals. So here we are having three types of networks: local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, wide area network WAN. So first local area network LAN. In the smallest network compared to the other two networks, the simplest form of LAN is to connect two computers together. LAN is operated within a limited physical area such as at home, school, a single building or several buildings. A network which consists of less than the 500 interconnected devices across several buildings is still recognized as a LAN. The metropolitan area network describes important cities like New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore, Chennai, etc. Companies that have several branches within the Mumbai city, such as banks, use a MAN. Can be a collection of several LANs within the same city. And the MAN can be defined as a group of computers and network devices connected together within a large physical area. So wide area network WAN, the largest network of all network types. Internet is the largest WAN in the world. WAN generally covers large distances such as states, countries or continents. Example, local banks have always maintained their business online by connecting all computers of their branches in the countries. In the international banks also use WAN to connect their computers all over the world. The WAN is a group of MANs or LANs or the mixer of both networks. Here I have a 5 criteria. These 5 criteria comparisons of LAN, WAN, MAN. So the cost wise the LAN is low, cost wise MAN is high, cost wise WAN is higher. Network size, LAN wise small, MAN wise larger, WAN wise largest. And transmission media type also connected with the twisted pairs in the LAN. MAN twisted pair and fiber optic cables. WAN is fiber optic, radio wave and satellite. And number of computers can connect in the LAN smallest connections. MAN will be the largest, WAN is the very largest. And this is the architecture of computer network. So here client server network and peer-to-peer network. Client server means server to client, we can connect more than one systems as a client, and peer-to-peer among the client we can connect the networks. So here what is a network architecture? Overall design of a computer network that describes how a computer network is configured and what strategies are being used. Mainly focuses on the functions of the network, also known as the network model or network design. If it is a client-server network, a client-server network is a network in which the sharing the files and applications are stored in the server but not users from the client side can still store files on their individual PCs. A server is a computer that shares information and resources with other computers on a network. A client is a computer which requires services or files from a server computer. And peer-to-peer, it is a network with all the nodes acting as both servers and clients. A PC can access files located on another PC and can also provide files to other PCs. All computer is the peer-to-peer network has equal responsibilities and capabilities to use the resource available on the network. With peer-to-peer network, no server is needed. Each computer in the network is called a peer. So here we are having a difference between this client server and peer-to-peer. The client server is a higher cabling cost and peer-to-peer is cheaper cabling cost. And easy to manage client server, hard to manage. One powerful computer is acting as a server in the client server side. The peer-to-peer is a no server is needed. And I am having the 7 types of network topology here. First one is a ring topology, mesh topology, star topology, fully connected, line topology, tree topology, and bus topology. So let us discuss one by one now. So what is a bus topology? A bus topology consists of a single central cable to which all computers and other devices connect. A bus topology is also known as a bus network and very common in LAN, must have a common backbone to connect all devices. All nodes share the backbone to communicate with each other on the network. Sometimes a bus network has more than one server. Sometimes a server is not needed on the network. This is the diagram. And ring topology. A ring topology consists of all computers and other devices that are connected in a loop. Like this in this diagram we have connected in loop. Between the ring topology is also known as a ring network. So which can be found in LAN. Each node is directly connected to two neighboring nodes. A server may exist in a ring network, but it will not connect to all the networks in the network. The server, like other nodes, will only communicate its two neighboring nodes. And star topology. The star topology consists of a central host which acts as the center and all nodes connected to the host. A star topology is also known as the star network. And here in a star network, every node will not connect to the neighboring nodes. The host will control the flow of communication in the network. So mainly we can act in the central system as central connection is called the hub. So here tree topology. The tree topology is the combinations of the bus and the star topology. The tree-like structure allows you to have many servers on the network, and you can branch out the network on many ways. Also known as the hierarchical network. Here this strengthen the transmissions and increase the traveling distance of a signal. The secondary hub can isolate communications between the different computers. And mesh topology, mesh network is a network where all the nodes are connected to each other and is a complete network. In a mesh network, every node is connected to other nodes on the network through hubs. It is called the self-healing technology, where it receives data one way or the other. The descriptions of the mesh topology will be the data is automatically configured to reach the destinations by taking the shortest road. The mesh network is based on a very sensible concept and has less chances of a network breakdown. So here we are having a between the three topologies we are having differences along with some criteria. The node, how much it will be failure, ease of troubleshootings, whether it will be which is comfortable in the topology, bus, ring or star topology. Likewise, the host existence depends on the network needs for the bus topology, depends on the network again needs for the ring, and this is also needed star topology. And ease of adding or removing the node is bus topology is easy. Ease of adding or removing the node is very difficult in the ring topology. Average will be the star topology. And finally, applications of computer networks. Here I am going to discuss about the file sharing, printer sharing, communication and collaboration, remote access, data protection, centralized support and administration. So here I need to share the information about what is the file sharing. File sharing is the public or private sharing of files or folders on a computer connected to a network. So here types of file sharings: operating system file sharing or internet file sharing. Next, let me discuss about remote access. The remote access is the ability of users to access a device or a network from any locations. With that access, users can manage files and data that are stored on a remote device. Next, the data protection. Data protection is a set of strategies and processes you can use to secure the privacy, availability, and integrity of your data. Thank you so much.